Plant FAQs. Cryptanthus absolute zero. What is Cryptanthus absolute zero? Cryptanthus absolute zero is a striking variety of the Cryptanthus genus, often admired for its unique and captivating appearance. This bromeliad, part of the bromeliad family, is known for its rosette-shaped foliage that displays a dazzling mix of silver and green hues. Its leaves have a slightly spiky texture, giving it a distinctive look among its relatives. The name Absolute Zero reflects its cool-toned coloration, which can make it a standout addition to any plant collection. How to care for Cryptanthus Absolute Zero. Taking care of a Cryptanthus Absolute Zero is relatively straightforward, but there are a few key aspects to keep in mind. Light. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, while too little light may cause the vibrant colors to fade. A spot near a window with filtered light is ideal. Watering. Cryptanthus Absolute Zero prefers to be watered regularly, but ensure the soil is well draining. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's crucial to avoid letting the plant sit in soggy soil. Humidity. Being a bromeliad, it enjoys higher humidity levels. If you live in a dry climate, consider placing the plant on a humidity tray or using a room humidifier to maintain adequate moisture in the air. Temperature. This plant prefers temperatures ranging from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. It is not frost tolerant, so keep it away from cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. Soil. Use a well-draining mix, such as a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. This ensures that the roots get adequate aeration and prevents water from accumulating at the bottom of the pot. How to propagate Cryptanthus Absolute Zero. Propagation of Cryptanthus Absolute Zero is typically done through offsets or pups. Here's a simple guide. Identify pups. Look for small plantlets or pups growing at the base of the mother plant. These pups are clones of the parent plant and can be separated once they are at least a third of the size of the mother plant. Separate pups. Gently twist or cut the pup away from the mother plant, making sure to include some roots with it. Potting. Place the separated pup in a small pot with a well-draining potting mix. Water lightly and keep the new plant in a warm, humid environment until it establishes roots. Care for new plants. Continue to care for the new plant as you would an adult Cryptanthus Absolute Zero, ensuring it receives adequate light and moisture. What to plant with Cryptanthus Absolute Zero. Cryptanthus Absolute Zero can be a versatile addition to various plant arrangements. Here are a few suggestions. Other bromeliads. Combining Cryptanthus Absolute Zero with other bromeliads can create a vibrant, colorful display. Varieties like Neoregalia or Echmea can complement its appearance and thrive under similar conditions. Ferns, with their contrasting foliage textures, can make a lovely pairing with Cryptanthus Absolute Zero. Consider species like Boston fern or bird's nest fern. Succulents. If you prefer a drier setup, succulents like Haworthia or Echeveria can contrast beautifully with the Cryptanthus, though you should be mindful of different watering needs. Common problems and solutions. Leaf browning. Browning tips can be a sign of either too much direct sunlight or inconsistent watering. Adjust light exposure and ensure you're not over or underwatering the plant. Pests. While not overly common, pests like spider mites or mealybugs can occasionally affect Cryptanthus Absolute Zero. Regularly inspect your plant and use insecticidal soap or neem oil if necessary. Root rot. This can occur if the plant is kept in soggy soil. Ensure proper drainage and reduce watering if you notice signs of root rot. Conclusion. Cryptanthus Absolute Zero is a stunning bromeliad that, with the right care, can thrive and add a unique touch to your plant collection. Understanding its light, water, and humidity needs, along with how to propagate and pair it with other plants, will help ensure its health and vibrancy. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a beginner, this striking plant can bring a touch of the extraordinary to your home.